Hi there, this is Saver Crypto. Now, if you've been following my Phemex journey, you'll see that I had both the DOT and the Cardano trades going at the same time, which I didn't really want to. I wanted to have half the capital there to protect the DOT one. So what happened this morning was I noticed the Cardano one was in profit, so I decided to take that profit and then use that money to protect the DOT position. So what I did was I closed the Cardano trade and then I set up a buy limit order for DOT at 25 US dollars. So if the price does drop down there, then that will lower my entry price. It will move my liquidation price down further. So you see, I've just basically got a buy order set just above the liquidation price. So that's what that's all about. And if you look at the price of Cardano, you can see that it popped up a little bit. And you can see dots on the rise as well. So I think this will all work out fine. Okay, so it's been a few hours since I did the last part of this video, but you can see here that what I did this morning, I should have mentioned this, was I took $193 profit from the Cardano trade, and then that's what I added to the this order here, which is the DOT at $25, which is there to protect the liquidation price. So as I said before, if it goes down to 25, that order will execute. It will drop the liquidation price down, and you can see at the moment the liquidation price is 24.619. So I'd imagine that will go down to sort of quite a low value if this other half of the capital comes into play. Now what's happened since then is the price of DOT has gone up, which is fine. So I'm currently $163 in profit. So I mean, that's not bad. I mean, it's getting on for $400 so far, and it's only the start of the week. And what you can see here is it's up a reasonable amount. I can actually use this measuring tool here. So that was my entry price there, and it's currently up about 2%. Now when that gets to about 4 or 5%, what I will do, I will add a stop loss into the profit. So basically the stop loss will be up here somewhere when the price has gone way higher. And the idea there is if it dips down, I won't lose any money. And of course at that point what I can do is I can cancel this here, because I know that if the price goes that low, I will have already taken some profit anyway, and then just move on to the next trade, really. That's my kind of strategy. I'm no expert, but that's kind of what I'm doing so far. So just remember, if you want to use Phemex yourself, use the link in the description, and I think you get a free $90 bonus or something. Anyway, so this is Saver Crypto saying thank you very much. Do like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Take care. Bye.